trouble and you need someone to help you out, there's no need to whistle and there's no need to shout. Hey, 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 help is on its way. Call the Koala Brothers, call the Koala Brothers, call the Koala Brothers, call the Koala Brothers, help is on its way.
Sometimes Alice the platypus worked at the cafe at the end of the main street. Alice loved working at the cafe, and she always tried to do the very best job possible. But on this particular day, Alice was feeling a little strange.
Morning, Alice. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, Archie, it's a... Oh, dear. Oh, no. Oh.
Everything all right? I'll have the usual. Thanks, Alice. Oh!
There you go, Archie.
Ha-ha! I thought so. You have the hiccups, Alice. Why ever didn't you say so before?
Sorry, Archie. It's just that I'm trying to do a good job, but it's very hard with these silly hiccups.
Yes.
Meanwhile, back at the homestead, Frank and Buster were getting ready to fly into town.
Hi, Mitzi. Hi, Ned.
Hi.
Can we pick up anything for you in town?
No, thanks, Frank. I'm right, thanks. Buster, you do look funny upside down.
That better, Mitzi? Stand by for takeoff. Chocks away, Buster! Chocks away, Frank! Get the gate, Ned!
I'm getting the gate, Frank.
Buckle up, Buster! Buckled up!
What's that strange sound, Frank?
Beats me, Buster. But whatever it is, it's coming from Alice's. Come on. Well, in my experience, Alice, the very best thing you can do for hiccups is to take a deep breath, hold it in, and... Oh, hello, chaps. Hello, Archie. Alice.
What's up, Alice? Hello, Hiccups.
Alice, my friends, has a rather bad case of the hiccups. Aha! The hiccups. I had the hiccups once.
If only I knew how to get rid of them.
Indeed. I'm sure we could come up with a few suggestions. Yeah, after all,
We're here to help.
Now, drinking backwards? I've heard that works well.
Of course. That'll do it.
Ooh!
Sorry.
Never mind, Alice. I'm sure Frank will think of something else.
I'm sure he will. Sorry, I'm not being a very good waitress, am I? What can I get you to?
2 banana smoothies, please, Alice.
Alice tried very hard to carry on running her cafe despite having the hiccups.
2 strawberry smoothies, just as you ordered.
But as you may remember, Alice was forgetful at the best of times. And the hiccups were making it doubly impossible to do a good job.
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, Alice.
It's no good. I just can't work in the cafe with these silly hiccups. So sorry, the cafe's closed.
Hang on a sec, Alice. Sucking a lolly. Yes, I've heard it often does the trick in bad cases of the hiccups.
Absolutely.
You know, I do like lollies, and it might work.
Come on, then.
To Sammy's shop.
Here you go, Alice. The best hiccup stopper there is.
Good luck, Alice.
Thank you, Sammy. This lolly is delicious.
And it seems to have done the trick, too.
I'm so sorry, Sammy. I just make a mess wherever I go.
Oh, don't worry, Alice. It won't take a sec to clear up.
I'm sure we can think of another way to get rid of your hiccups.
It's not good. I'm going to go home now and stay out of the way before I cause any more trouble.
If only there was a way. Sammy, I think there is.
Oh,
Alice, wait! I've got one more idea. I think I might know how to get rid of your hiccups.
I don't know. Do you really think it'll work?
it's worth a try.
You'll need to come over to our place.
That'd be fun.
Well, that's settled then.
I'll just get my scooter. Meet you there.
See you soon.
Bye for now.
Nearly got it, Ned.
Really, Mitzi?
Look, here's Frank and Buster. And Alice.
Hi, Alice. What's up?
I've got the hiccups. You don't say. Have you tried touching your toes? Oh, OK. It's worth a try. Look! No hiccups! Frank! Buster! I'm cured!
Alice was beginning to think she'd never get rid of her hiccups.
Alice, we can try my idea to cure your hiccups, but you'll need to be brave.
I'll do my best, Frank.
You wait here with Buster and Mitzi. Ned, you come with me.
What have you got planned, Frank?
An aerial display, like you've never seen before.
Oh, I love those. I don't have to go in the plane, do I, Frank?
No, Alice. All you have to do is wait right here.
And by the way, Buster, how was this going to fix my hiccups?
I'm not exactly sure, Alice, but I know Frank will have it figured.
So why are you going to do an aerial display, Frank?
The only sure way to get rid of Alice's hiccups is to give her a little bit of a fright.
Ooh, are you sure that's a good idea, Frank?
Ned, I think it may be the only way.
Wow! Ooh! Done, Frank! Done, house, done! Loop the loop and stuff!
Go on, Frank.
Oh dear, I won't! Careful, Frank! Will he be okay? Oh no! Oh, Frank, oh, do be careful! Oh dear! Oh!
Alice was so busy being frightened, she didn't even notice that her hiccups had disappeared.
Hi, Frank!
Well done, Frank.
Thanks for the show. Weren't you frightened, Frank? I was.
That, Alice, was the whole idea.
It was? Why?
Well, haven't you noticed anything?
No. The hiccups, Alice, remember? Oh, that's right. They've gone. Thanks, Frank, Buster.
So thanks to the Koala Brothers, Alice's hiccups were finally cured and she was happy again.
Your usual, Archie.
A banana split for breakfast. Oh, thanks awfully, Alice.
It's a pleasure.
Soon, she was back running her cafe. In fact, things were right back to normal. Well, very nearly normal anyway.
Have you tried drinking from a cup backwards, Buster? Touching your toes? Sucking a lolly?
If you're in trouble and you need someone to help you out, there's no need to whistle and there's no need to shout. Hey, 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 hey.